Hey party people, this is Zach from visionswell.com, products and principles for a simple, serene life. And as you know, I practice practical minimalism, so I'm always looking for gear that has a multitude of uses. When I'm looking to purchase something to take up room in my bags or in my everyday carry setups, I'm always looking for something that I can use in a variety of ways to make sure that I get the maximum usage out of the space and weight that it's taking up. And this brings me to the Infinity tool from MODL. The Infinity tool from MODL is a flexible multi-tool. It's stretchy, it's somewhere between a gear strap, a carabiner, a zip tie, and a bungee cord. And it comes in a variety of different lengths and colors. And the way you connect these straps or use them in a multitude of ways is with these little metal studs. So every time you buy a pack of these straps, it comes with a little stud link. And this little stud link is really nice because it has two attachment points, and then in the middle there's a little gap that you can use to string the strap through and use it as kind of a little cinch mechanism. Then in addition to the default stud links, you also have these hook studs that allow you to transform these straps into either a bungee cord or some place to hang things, and it makes it even more useful. And then you also have these OmniLinks studs that have 4 attachment points. So if you have bulky items like a sleeping bag or a hoodie or a rain jacket and you want to attach it sort of like you would a box, you can use these 4 attachment points to wrap all the way around the item and kind of cinch it down. And then again, you have this big gap in the middle, and that allows you to pull things through and cinch it down and then attach it to these 4 attachment points. Also on the hook stud, you also have one of those little gaps that you can use as a cinch point as well to pull things through to tighten them down. To me, this reminds me of a Lego set. It's something that has a few prescribed use cases because obviously you could use this as a gear strap and things like that, but then it also gives you the creative flexibility to do anything you might want to do. Realistically, an individual could probably think up over 1,000 use cases for the Modal Infinity tool. Today, I'm going to go over 15 of my favorite use cases. This will give you an idea of some ways that you could use this tool, and you could decide if it's worth the space in your kit. For me, these are absolutely essential moving forward, and I've added them to all of my travel as well as my EDC setups. And the nice thing about these straps is that they're stretchy. They're a very high durability rubber silicone kind of material. You can stretch them. They won't harm your gear because they're soft edged. And as long as you're not putting the metal piece up against your gear, you don't have to worry about it getting scratched or damaged. And then they're also really flexible because they come in a variety of lengths. You can connect them together to have an infinite length if you want them to. And they also hold up to 70 pounds, so you don't have to worry about them snapping and your gear falling to the floor. And like I said, they come in a lot of attractive colors. Right here, I've got this kind of maroon color. I've got this bright translucent blue, almost this icy color, and I also have them in black. So I think they're very attractive looking, and they have a ton of different colors to choose from to match them to your gear, your car, your bike, or anywhere you may be attaching these to. So let's take a look at some of the use cases, and I'll go through 15 use cases that I've found extremely useful for this gear, and we can talk about how they fit into my daily life. So in order to do these first 2 use cases, I want to show you how to make this into an S-clip. So if you take 2 of the stud links here and stack them back to back, you can then loop one of the straps through here. Doesn't matter what length you use. Just make sure the stud link is somewhere in the middle. And then you can stretch one side of the strap over and attach it here. And then you can take the other side of the strap and attach it here. And then you have a nice little S-clip here that you can adjust the size on. And when you get it to the size you want, you can then use the other end to kind of secure it in place, like this and like this. So then you have a nice little S-clip here, and that allows you to have different attachment points, so that if you wanted to attach one side to your belt loop and one side to an item, you can do that by attaching and reattaching at these little attachment points. And you can also unattach where it's secured in place so that you can adjust the size of either side of this S-clip. And one useful way that I found to utilize this S-clip is to use it for cord management. So for cord management, I was able to strap the larger side around this Anker GAN charger, and then the smaller side I have attached to some cables here that I can keep connected to it. So then I make sure that I have a way to plug in all of my gear to charge it and charge this in the wall socket and I always have a cable with it. And then if I want to disconnect the cable, I can just disconnect this end here, pull the cable out, use it, and then when I'm done, put the cable back in here, and then I can just stretch this back over, and then I have the cable attached. So for cord management, this would be absolutely essential and super useful. Then another way I could use this S-clip is also to make a little keychain. So if I unattach the one end here and loop my keys through here and reattach it, there you have my keys secured on there nicely. And then on the other end, I could attach this easily to a belt loop or the inside of a bag or the outside of a bag by just unattaching the one end, putting it through the belt loop, putting it through any kind of attachment point, and then reattaching it like that. And you have an easy way to attach your keys anywhere you'd like to attach them. So I think that's a really useful little hack too. Then if you have any kind of bags that have MOLLE webbing or attachment points, or you have one of those grid gear attachers for the back of your car, you can also use the Infinity tool to make a mounted cinch strap. And I'll show you how to do that. All you do is take any length of Infinity tool strap, flip it upside down, make sure it has a stud link on the end, pass the cable through all the MOLLE webbing where you'd like to attach the item, and then you can kind of loop it back through this little gap here, and it gives you a cinch point that allows you to really tighten down to whatever length you want, depending on the size of your gear. It allows you to take any item that you want to attach to the outside of the bag or to any kind of grid pattern that you need to attach things to, wrap it around, put it through this little gap, tighten it down to its desired tightness, and then just reattach it over on this side. And there you go, you have a nice tight grip on any gear that you want to attach anywhere. Also, as I mentioned, you have these little hook studs. If you want to attach anything anywhere, turn it into kind of a bungee cord or use this to hang gear, you have a hook here that's easily movable around the different straps. So I think the best use case for me with this is just to make a little EDC hanging hook. So if you attach it on one side here, you can see that this attachment point has a little bit of height to it, so it allows you to string it through and then attach it back. So you can do that. You just pull it through this little gap here, and then you can attach it on this side to any length that you need. And if you take something like a sling bag, you could use this easily as an EDC hanging hook. So you just pass the Infinity tool strap through, and then you pass it back through this little gap, and then you can attach it here. And then you have a little EDC hanging hook. So if you wanted to hang this off the back of a door, off the edge of a table, or anywhere to keep your sling up off the ground, it's really easy to do so with this little EDC hanging hook, and you could use it for backpacks, purses, or anything that you want to keep up off the ground. You could even attach this to your baseball cap, or your jacket, or a shirt, or anything where you have an attachment point to make a little EDC hanging hook to keep that item up off the floor. And with that same concept, I use the StudLinks to connect a couple different lengths of the Infinity tool, as well as some hook studs, and I wrapped it around the top of a door, so then you have a place to hang things like a broom, a mop, or even a backpack, and a couple sling bags. And the way I've just secured it on the top there, so that it doesn't hang down too far, you could even tighten that up a little if you want that to have a little bit more tensile strength. But as you can see, you can use this to hang things from a door or hang things from anywhere that you want to wrap a cordage around. You could use it around a tree to hang up your gravity water bottle while you're camping. And it just gives a ton of flexibility for places to hang things. You could also use the Infinity tool easily to make any kind of water bottle holder. If your water bottle or tumbler doesn't have a handle or anywhere to clip it, you could use the Infinity tool to make one on the fly. So the first way of doing it would be with another one of those S-clips. And then this allows you to make it the length you would need. So I'll just test the fit of the water bottle. And that seems like a good fit. So I can just secure them in place. And then you just have a nice little grab handle here. And that allows you to move this around. You could attach it places. You could move this up or down and use it as a handle or an attachment point. So it makes it really easy to add a carrying handle to a water bottle. But this would work on pretty much any kind of item that you want to add a carrying handle to. And then another way to do this would be to take 2 straps and 3 stud links. So you just take one of the straps and connect it to itself, and then you can kind of slide it over the tumbler. You can just slide it and stretch it until it's the tightness that you'd like it to be. And then you can take this other hook stud and attach it here, and then attach it on the other side, and it's attached right there. And you can see now that you have a grab handle, and it's kind of like carrying a little bucket here. So it's secured around the outside, and then you have this little handle. And then when you want to drink out of it, you can just kind of pull it out of the way, and it folds down nicely, so it makes it a little bit more versatile. So no matter what kind of bottle size you have or tumbler size, the Infinity tool can accommodate it and create an easy grab handle for you to use when you're on the go. Then if you have a few bulky items that you'd like to attach together, that's where the OmniLinks stud comes into play. So I have a packable rain jacket and 2 packable totes here, and I'd like to attach them together to keep them organized. So I'll take one of the hook studs and I'll put it in the middle because that's the point at which I want to attach everything. And then I can take 2 of the longer lengths of strap, attach one here, and then wrap it around the items and attach it over here. And there it's nice and tight. And then I can go in the other direction by attaching here and then wrapping that all the way around. And that gives me a nice tidy bundle here where everything's well secured and you have a lot of bulky items that are connected together in an organized, compact fashion. So I think that's a really useful use case as well. Also, if you take a couple longer lengths of the Infinity tool, connect them with some StudLinks, and add in the hook studs, you can make an easy makeshift clothes drying line between 2 chairs or between any 2 objects in a room. So if you're someone like me who prioritizes personal item only travel, this is a game changer. It allows me to do sink laundry when I'm at a hotel or accommodation and then hang my things to dry very easily with a compact makeshift line. Also, if there's movers at the house and you need a way to quickly secure your dog, you could take their leash and use one of the Infinity tools to wrap it around a staircase handrail, cinch it through here, and then just attach it. And then you're able to secure your dog and not have them running out the front door when the movers are coming in and out. And this is another great way to utilize this tool. Also, if you have a bag of cereal or any kind of snacks that you don't want to get stale and you want to keep the bag closed, the Infinity tool comes in the clutch for that as well. So you can just wrap it around, close it up, and there you go. You have a really good way to keep your snack bags closed. And if you have a backpack that doesn't have a sternum strap, you can make one to take some of that load off your back. This is just 1 strap and a stud link, and you're good to go. And if you're tired of your pants falling down, you can go ahead and use this as a makeshift belt. It's not the prettiest belt in the world, it's not going to win any fashion awards, but in a pinch, your pants are falling down, you're out working, it works. And speaking of fashion, you could easily use this as a wristband. And there you go. You could also use this as a way to attach gloves when you're out skiing, and you could keep your spare gloves attached to your wrist there. Or if you just want an accessory piece, it works as just a regular wristband too. Also, if you're like me and you prefer a minimalist wallet, you can use this as a way to keep your cards, cash, and ID neatly stashed away in a minimalist form factor. So you can easily pull your cards out, put them back in, they're held tightly, you can adjust the tension, and carry as many cards as you'd like to. You could make this as bulky or as light as you require. And if you're an artist, a writer, or a would-be journalist, you have the ability to use this as a little writing kit. So you have your pen attached and you have your little notebook, and you can use this to save your place in your notebook like a little bookmark, and also attach things to the outside. So I think it's really useful for that as well. So there you have it. 15 ways to use the Model Infinity tool. It's the flexible, stretchy multi-tool somewhere between a gear strap, a carabiner, a zip tie, and a bungee cord, and it works in a ton of different scenarios. The 15 I've given you here are just some examples, and I'm sure you could come up with 1,000 more if you really tried. The addition of the OmniLinks stud and the hook stud gives these even more versatility and allows you to come up with even more creative ways to use them. As I've demonstrated today, these are really fun to use. It reminds me of playing with Legos. Every time I look around the house now, I can think of new ways to use these straps. And I think they're a really good investment if you want something that has multiple use cases and can come in handy in a ton of different scenarios, more than an individual bungee cord, gear strap, or zip tie ever could. If you have more ideas for how I could use the Infinity tool, please leave them in the comments below. I always go out of my way to respond to every comment, and I'd love to hear all of your ideas and your opinions on this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you like these EDC videos and gear reviews, because I'm going to continue to release them on a regular basis, and I'm really passionate about doing all of this kind of review work. And with all that being said, thank you as always for watching, and I will definitely see you in the next video. Take care.